Los Angeles, the city of angels, bright lights, endless dreams, and shadows that never fade. But in 2013, one shadow became darker than all the rest. Her name was Elisa Lam.
Details tonight in connection with a grim discovery at a downtown LA hotel. Police now believe the body found inside a rooftop water tank is that of a tourist who disappeared 3 weeks ago.
The body of a Canadian woman who was missing in LA has now been found. Elisa Lam disappeared 3 weeks ago.
Yesterday, her body was found inside a water tank on top of the hotel where she had been staying.
And what happened to her inside of the Cecil Hotel still terrifies the internet to this day. The truth? No one knows exactly how Elisa died, but what we do have is a video, and once you've seen it, you will never forget it. Elisa was a 21-year-old student from Vancouver, Canada. She was bright, curious, and loved documenting her travels online. In early 2013, she set out on a solo trip through California, a trip she never finished. Her last stop was downtown Los Angeles, the Cecil Hotel, an aging building with a history soaked in tragedy. It had been home to suicides, murders, and even serial killers. But Elisa didn't know that. To her, it was just another cheap place to stay. On February 1st, 2013, this is the last time Elisa Lam was seen alive. In the hotel security camera footage, she steps into an elevator. She presses multiple buttons, every one in a column. Then, nothing happens. She peers out cautiously, steps back in, then out again. It's as if she's hiding from someone, or something. Just out of frame, her hands move strangely. Some say she's talking to an invisible person. Others believe it's a nervous breakdown. Whatever it was, the elevator doors finally closed, and Elisa Lam vanishes. For weeks, Elisa's family and police searched the Cecil Hotel. No trace. Until guests began to complain. They said that the water pressure was low, that it tasted strange, and when the maintenance climbed to the roof, they found something floating inside one of the water tanks. Elisa Lam. She was naked, her clothes floating beside her. The heavy metal lid was shut tight, too heavy for her to close from the inside. There were no signs of a struggle, no drugs, no alcohol, just a mystery that defied logic. Was it an accident? A psychotic break from her bipolar disorder? A murder the hotel covered up? Or was it something much darker? Some believed she was being chased. Others think she was possessed. The elevator footage sparked thousands of theories online, but none that could explain how she ended up inside that sealed tank. The truth died with Elisa, and the Cecil Hotel became a legend, where reality feels like a horror story that you can't wake up from. Maybe it was an accident. Maybe it was something else. But if the walls could talk, the Cecil Hotel would never stop screaming. The Elisa Lam case, the Cecil Hotel mystery.